How to know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook Messenger app on a device. The first step is to turn on the active status of your Facebook Messenger. To do that, tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap active status and toggle on the button so that it will show when you are active together. Now come back to the home screen. So if someone is online on Facebook Messenger, then there will be green circle right on the chat head. Here we don't have anyone, that means no one is online. Sometimes what happens is they might have turned off their active status even if they are online. So there are some of the criteria to check if they are really online on Facebook Messenger. Simply you need to tap on particular chat and send message. When you send the message, then instead of send, there will be delivered written. Sometimes if they are active any hours ago, then there will be written active 2 hours ago, like at top of the screen. That means this person was active 2 hours ago. Now they are really offline. When you tap on the dialer or the call button at top of the screen and start calling, so tap on while using the app. So if the person is online, then instead of calling, there will be ringing. That means this person is not online right now because there is no any ringing sign. Instead of that, there is calling. That means if any person has any this kind of feature, that means they are online on Facebook Messenger. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.